Shirley is helping her mom move into a senior community. Her mom has lived in her home for many years, but lately, the house has just become too much for her to care for. Shirley is not sure where to start to sort through the years of items that have accumulated and is overwhelmed with the updates that need to get done to get it ready to sell. She wants to spend her time helping her mom get settled into her new home. At Faster House, Bob, Shirley, and James can all sell their home as is, easily and quickly. They don't have to worry about making repairs or updates, showing the house over and over to picky buyers, or even removing unwanted possessions. Faster House will buy their homes for cash, exactly as it sits today, and close when it is convenient for them, whether that is in 1 week or 3 months. We require no inspections or appraisals and charge no commissions, which saves you thousands of dollars on the sale. The process is easy. Just call 314-200-5122 or fill out the simple form on our website and share some information about your property. One of our buyers will call you back to set up a time to meet with you and tour your home. You will have a no-obligation cash offer within 24 hours. If you like the offer, we can close whenever you like. It's as easy as that. Faster House has been buying homes throughout the St. Louis metro area for over a decade. Our experience and professionalism are what makes us different. By selling to Faster House, you can move on and spend your time enjoying your life. Don't wait. Call Faster House today.